the team here, these two, decided I should make something that's good for us and not fattening. So I said, okay, that's what I'm doing. And I'm chopping up some fresh mint because I'm going to make a smoothie. And it all sounds like it's going to be so good and so refreshing, you know, all joking aside. So I'm just going to mince my mint. And it calls for 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh mint. I don't know if y'all have ever tried to grow mint in your yard, but it grows so good and it will take over a garden. At River Bend, do you remember how far those?
Yes, it took up the whole planting bed.
Yeah, it took up the whole bed.
It's so beautiful.
It is so beautiful, and it smells so good. You can walk by, it's like rosemary. You walk by and hit it, and oh my gosh, the fragrance is insane. Okie dokie, that looks like a gracious tablespoon right there. So we've got 3 cups of honeydew that's been peeled and cut up. I guess I can do this in any order, can't I, Teresa?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, it calls for 2 cups of ice.
They do say that last.
They do? Okay, well, I'll do that last then. I guess so it won't water it down too badly. All right, I've got a tablespoon of lime juice. Let's see, what did I add? I added 1 cup of an unpeeled English cucumber. All right, 2 tablespoons of honey. And I'm going to get my little scooper out because that's like all the sweet we got, and I want to get every drop of it. Ain't that right?
Well, the honeydew should be pretty sweet, wouldn't you think?
No, sometimes, you know.
I'm saying yeah, and you're going, no.
You know what? I did buy a cantaloupe that was so sweet and so delicious. It's still a little early for melons to really be, kind of sweet. All right, let's see.
When does the mint go in?
Let's see. It says combine melon, cucumber, honey, mint, and lime juice. Process until well blended. But then you garnish it with more fresh mint and a cucumber slice. So, all right, I'm gonna juice this up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a cup of ice. All righty. Now I'm gonna add our mint. I think I would like a little bit more ice. Just a little bit more ice. I kind of like mine thicker. Nice and cold and thick. All right, who would like a honeydew cucumber mint smoothie? Oh, look how pretty. I love that color. It's the color of our front door. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Now we know how to get it out of food.
Yes. All right, I'm going to put a little mint on top. And I'm going to pretend like I got a cucumber slice. And I'm going to get me a straw.
Get you a straw?
Please, I can't believe there's no straws over there in the drain board. Yes, that is the color of our front door. Come here and I'll show you.
Here you go. It's a thicker one.
Okay, thank you. Ooh, that is a big one. It's a heck of a straw. It could break one of my teeth out.
Sure is.
It is, isn't it? Love it. Y'all, Lulu, come on back in, pretty little girl. It really is good. It's real refreshing. But I would probably put an artificial sweetener in mine because my tongue likes things kind of sweet. And if they're not naturally sweet, I'll stick in a little artificial sugar. I ain't proud. But it really is good. And you can just imagine in the morning getting up and going for a brisk walk and then coming back in and throwing you a smoothie together. Very invigorating. Until next time, maybe I'll come back with a cake or something. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.